इन नवोदय विद्यालय आपके साथ फिर हाजिर हूँ, उपस्थित हूँ एक नई टेक्निक लेकर के। हायर थिंकिंग क्वेश्चंस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में बहुत तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स बनती हैं। सो आज अपन नटशेल में एक क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे, इसको थोरो एक्सप्लेन करके आपको बताएंगे। तो आप बने रहें इसके साथ और आनंद लीजिए इस आईआईटी लेवल के क्वेश्चन का एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या करते हैं, छोटे छोटे कॉन्सेप्ट से हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। और मैथमेटिक्स क्या करता है, हम लोगों को बहुत सी ऐसी बातें जो पंक्चुअलिटी है, रेगुलरिटी है और सिस्टमेटिक वर्क करने की आदत है, ये सब इससे हमें मिलती है। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन उसी संदर्भ में एक क्वेश्चन लेके चलेंगे और आप लोग देखें। हायर थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन based on this trigonometry, I will take this. So dear friends, देखें कि how to get the solution with explanation of such type of problems when we are taking any problem of higher thinking. So today, as per my discussion, I have told you that today we will discuss one complete solution of such a higher thinking question based on trigonometry. So see here, आज अपन बात करेंगे और देखते हैं कि कैसे आज अपन इसको निकाल सकते हैं. लेट अस सी हियर. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, सी हियर, आई विल टेक दिस प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का. इफ साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा दैट इज इक्वल टू रूट 5/2, 0 is less than theta is less than 90 degree, that is the essential condition in this case, and find the value of sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta over sine square theta multiplied cos square theta. So dear friends, we will take this problem. So in this case, let us take this problem. See here, dear friends, there are two terms, sin square theta, cos square theta, and this term. So one by one we will calculate it. So first of all, so from this we are taking, let us start the solution of this. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta we are taking. So dear friends, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is one you know, and sin theta plus cos theta already you are given here root 5/2. We are placing the value of, that is root 5/2 whole square, that is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So dear friends, from here we will calculate the value of sin theta cos theta. So what is that? 2 sin theta cos theta. What is that? 1 minus root of 5, that is a square of that. 5/4 we are taking. In that side we are replacing it to get it. Okay. So this is 4 minus 5. We are taking this minus of this. So we will take 4 minus 5 over, that is this, we are taking this 4 minus 5 divided by 4 we are taking. So finally this is minus 1/4 we are taking. So this is the value of 2 sin theta cos theta. So with the negative sign, negative will be cancelled. So finally sin theta cos theta, that will be equal to So 1 by 4 multiplied 2 will be in the denominator. 1 by 8 we are getting. So dear friends, we are taking this very easily. So we want to calculate first this step. So we are starting from this step. This is identity, that is 1 sin theta plus cos theta, that is the given value we are putting here, and finally we are calculating sin theta cos theta. Why we are calculating? There is a reason. So sin theta cos theta से अपन इस वैल्यू को पकड़ेंगे. So we are taking sin square theta cos square theta, square of that will be equal to 1 by a, square of that is equal to 1 by 64. So dear friends, we are taking this one. So very easily we are calculating it. So dear friends, next you should be concentrated on this part, sin 6 theta cos 6 theta. How to get it? So let us start, because क्यूबिक फॉर्म ही हमें इसका सॉल्यूशन दे सकती है. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज ए क्लू, देयर इज ए रीजन फॉर इट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दिस ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब, that will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab, right, and a plus b. So what should be put here? A cube plus b cube, what should be written? So let us consider a is equal to sin square theta and b is equal to cos square theta. We are putting here that value. Okay, see here. So sin square theta and cos square theta. So that cubic form of this one, that will be equal to 6 and 6. ये पावर हमारी ये बन जाएगी. Okay, so that is the reason for it why we are taking this one. So now you calculate it. A cube plus b cube, that will be equal to sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta. Okay, now see, that is equal to a plus b. What is a? That will be equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta here, whole power 3 minus 3. Here we are putting sin square theta, and that is cos square theta multiplied a plus b means what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta we are putting. So finally, by putting this one, so let us go forward for this. What we are getting? See here. So dear friends, ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अपने पास आई गई है. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. सो इन द राइट हैंड साइड वी आर पुटिंग 1 cube of that minus 3 multiplied sin square theta cos square theta. We have already calculated here sin square theta cos square theta, that is equal to 1 by 64. You just put here 1 by 64. Okay, see here. Next sin square theta plus cos square theta, you know that is equal to 1. So finally, dear friends, 1 cube is 1 minus 3 by 64 you are taking. So 64 minus 3, that is 61 by 64. So sine of 6 theta plus cos of 6 theta, that is equal to this. This is result number 2. Okay, dear friends, next how to get this? You want to calculate this term. So you are taking this 2, result number 2 divided by result number 1 we are taking here. So finally, sine of 6 theta plus cos of 6 theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta multiplied cos square theta. What is that? We are taking this 61 by 64 over this second term, that is 1 by 64. So what 64 will be cancelled. This term, denominator and denominator will be cancelled. Finally, what we are getting? Yes, see, that is 61. So finally, your answer for this question is 61. So this was the planning to get the answer here. So dear friend, this was higher thinking question. hard thinking question based on trigonometry. We have discussed it. I think you have understood it. If you are having any query, then you can write on channel. So thank you very much.